Hi friends, welcome. Today I want to share with you another photo walk. I took this photo, and this photo, among others. Right at the beginning of this photo walk, there was a little incident, and I will show that incident and then explain what happened because it's a little bit confusing. For this photo walk, I used a Sony a6400 with a Sony 16-35 f4 and a Sony 70-200mm f4. Enjoy. Welcome back to downtown Salt Lake City. Let's take some photos.
Looking for bikers?
What's up? Okay, I'm going to explain what happened here. I think it's important, though, to give a backstory. A couple of photo walks back, there was a fellow that I took a photo of. He was on his bike. He was coming by me. I snapped a quick candid. He turned around, said, "Hey, I don't want you taking my photo without my consent." He asked me to delete the photo, politely, and I said, "I don't mind deleting the photo." He then left and then came back a few minutes later and said, "I'll give you a photo if you add this caption to it." And the caption was something along the lines of "stay off of social media, get on a bike." That was one of the things that he cared about. He is not on social media, and he seems to have a disdain, that's the good word. He seemed to have a disdain for social media, perhaps. So I said, okay, I shared only the photo he was down with me sharing, and I put the caption beneath it. Fast forward, I'm on another photo walk, and I take a photo of a cyclist. I did not realize that this cyclist was the same guy. So this guy circles back around. This time he's a bit more upset with me. And I said, "I apologize, I didn't realize it was you. Happy to delete the photo." We spoke for a second, and then he moved on. This leads us to my third interaction with this fellow, which is this interaction.
Looking for bikers?
So now what he's doing is he saw me taking a photo of another person while going up the escalator, and he's now fighting for other people. I'm trying my best to not mischaracterize him. It seems like he does not like me taking candid photos of anyone. So I want to use this as a teaching moment. This situation, I feel like, is a rather bizarre situation for a street photographer to run into. I'm curious if you guys have ran into anything similar to this. I can't say that this seems to be a commonality for me. This brings up questions of ethics, and I think it's important to think and talk about these things, and I would be curious to know what your thoughts are. There are street photographers who won't delete photos. And also, let me clarify. I generally don't delete photos there. I just don't share them if they don't want me to share them. It's kind of how, because a lot of times I'm taking bursts of 30 photos. I'm not going to sit there and delete every single photo in front of them. That's ridiculous. I'm just going to tell them that I'm not going to share that photo. Just like I won't delete the video on my GoPro. But generally speaking, if somebody doesn't want me to use their photo, I don't do anything with their photo. There are exceptions to this. If I feel like the photo is important enough to keep, nobody's going to make me not share that photo. But anyway, I just thought this was a good teaching moment, and now back to the photo walk.
That is very hot. Such interesting light. Hey, excuse me, quick question. So I'm a street photographer and I take photos of interesting people that I find, and I thought you were very interesting. I actually particularly like your shoes, and I was just wondering if I could take a quick shot of it. Okay, sweet. If you want to just stand right here in the light, and if you want to just stand and just kind of do like that with your
Like this?
yeah, or like kind of like that, so I can see the side of it with the strawberries.
Oh, maybe like this.
Maybe, oh yeah, I guess they're on the weird side, aren't they? Let's see.
If I do
that.
I'm not really good at posing.
No, you're good. We're gonna figure this out. Okay, then what we're gonna do is just stand right here and then stand this way so that the sun is on the side of the shoes, just like that. Thank you. What's your name, by the way?
My name's Jolie.
Okay, I'm James.
Nice to meet you, James.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let this guy go by.
My apologies.
No, you're fine. You're okay.
Thank you.
Where did you get these shoes? I love them.
From Gucci.
Okay, cool. All right, I'm just gonna grab a quick shot. Do this with your foot where it's kind of like that. There you go. I don't normally pose people either, so this is kind of fun for me. I'm gonna get a little bit lower. All right, hang tight for me. Thank you so much. I'm gonna give you my card so you can know where it's going. So this is my website,
Okay.
but I'll just share it on Instagram.
Okay, yeah.
Okay?
Thank
Cool.
you. I'll never see it.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
All right, have a good day. Thank you. Those shoes are nuts. Oh my gosh. For some reason, my camera went into a timer mode. A burst timer mode. That's not what we want. I missed the shot because of that, but it was overexposed anyway. This place has the best ice cream I've ever had in my life. A lot of scooters.
Hey, what's up, man?
Yeah.
Can you snap me some pictures?
What's that?
Can you snap some pictures?
Oh yeah, sure.
Please. Oh,
Yeah.
you got a camera.
Oh yeah, I'm ready to go.
Really? Do you have a memory card or
Yeah,
what do you do?
I do. I'm a street photographer.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So where's the shop? What do? You just snap a picture for people? How
Yeah.
much does it cost?
So I find, well, it's free, but I take photos of interesting people that I find on the street.
Oh, yeah?
And I actually think you're interesting. Could I take your photo?
Oh, please. I'm really
sweet.
interested. I don't know. What do you think is cool? Like, yeah, I'm interested.
I think you're cool.
Oh, yeah.
Like
I
your
want
look, man.
that, yeah.
What's your name, man?
My name is Chuck.
Okay,
Chuck Brown.
I'm James.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yeah,
man.
so I just share them on Instagram.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Awesome. I'm on Instagram.
yeah. Okay, great.
I love that.
Well, here, I'll give you my card in a minute, but let's walk over here where there's some light if you don't mind.
Awesome, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't let me met you. That's let's get snap me somebody else dark.
Okay, okay. Okay, stay right, let's get right here, if you don't mind.
Right here?
Stay right here, yeah, because I want to put that building front in the background.
Let me.
I just want you to stand there and look sharp. You don't have to do anything super special.
Huh?
I said, I just want you to stand there and look sharp, but you don't have to do anything super special.
Okay.
You always walk around like this? You look great.
Oh yeah, I'm a fashion designer.
Oh, all right.
I do fashion design. I'm a model.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay. Look over there, look that way for me. Yeah. Look a bit more towards me. There you go. Sweet. Look, see that taco stand right there?
Okay.
Actually, those trees right there.
The tree, okay.
Yeah, there you go. All right, hang tight, I'm gonna get a different angle. Thanks, man. Let's see. Get a shot, I like that watch. Yeah. Look over that way for me. Oh no, sorry, this way? Yeah, all the way down the street, yeah. And keep your, like, turn your body kind of like, so I want you to do this. So I want it kind of be like that, and then just look over that way for me.
Okay, sure.
Does that make sense? Thank you. You're being very cooperative. Thank you. All right, hang tight for me right there. All right, thanks, brother. Appreciate it. You want me to take a couple photos for you?
Yeah. So am I gonna see those ones?
If you said you're on Instagram?
Yeah.
Send me a DM.
So you just do it for free?
Yeah, well, I mean, it's if I was doing it like a job, obviously,
Okay.
that would be. I'm not like I wouldn't call myself a like a fashion photographer or anything like that.
Get you.
Yeah, a lot of my photos are they're just documenting the streets.
Oh, cool.
More so.
Oh, get you.
Yeah.
Sweet.
When I'll edit the photos, and then if whatever keepers I get, I can send them to you.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Okay.
no problem, man. That's what I'm saying. All right. Now look at me.
Thank you, bro.
All right,
Nice
yeah.
to meet you.
Absolutely.
Nice
I'll
to
give you.
you're
you
right,
know.
you're right.
There
Thank
you
you.
go. Have a good day, man. Thank you so much. I turned into a street fashion photographer there for a moment. Can't say I do much of that. My buddy Will would have done a much better job probably. That was way more directing than I usually do, but his look demanded that I did something, that I would do something polished. Like I can't like go wide angle and get all up in his face. That's not gonna do this look justice, you know? Although I suppose that could be a creative direction one could go. Now what I could have done that would have been exciting is flipped over to my 70 to 200 and moved, I don't know, 50 feet away from him and zoom in. That would have been elegant. But I'm glad I had a lens that would push in a little bit rather than like a, I don't know, 12 millimeter prime. It smells like burgers. I like that. have this song stuck in my head.
New York.
New York. Back to business. Excuse me. Sorry, man. I didn't realize you had your earbuds in. I'm a street photographer. I take photos of interesting people that I meet. I love your mask. I was just
Okay.
wondering if I could take a photo of you really quick.
Sure.
Sure. What's your name?
Gabe.
All right, I'm James. Good to meet you.
Good to meet
So, I'll just put you right in the middle here. I just want to take one quick shot.
Okay.
All right. I'm looking for a very
I kind of like the ballsiness.
right
like-
there. I mean, you know, it's a fun challenge. I love to meet new people. So I'm looking for interesting masks. That's
Yeah.
one of the things I'm looking for, and most of them look the same. I don't normally see ones with spikes on it,
Yeah.
so I figured I'd take advantage of that.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. So if you want to, you can kind of look off that way so the sun doesn't get into your eyes too much. I'm gonna play around with that. It might be a little too dark though. Maybe look over, like at these hats. Yeah, there you go. That's perfect. That's excellent. All right, hang tight for me right there. I'm gonna readjust. All right, hang tight. I'm gonna get one a little bit closer. Let's see. All right, now look at me. If you can, sorry. All right, that's good. Thank you so much. Let me give you my card so you can know where it's going. Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
you.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a good day.
Yeah, have a great day. Come on. Ah, fudge. Drop the ISO. Shutter speed. Okay. Okay. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see if they'll stay there while I switch over to my 7200. There we go. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Actually, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's actually good. What am I saying? Of course I want her to look at me. Oh, Leica?
No, Fuji.
Oh, Fuji. It looks just like the Fujis are beautiful too, though.
Yeah, you know I'm cheating it because I got the red shutter release cover on it. So.
Oh, I'm down with that. That's awesome.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I teach high school photography.
Oh, okay.
And, so naturally I shoot all the, dancers and stuff and whatever
Yeah.
at school. So anyway, so we're just scouting tonight. I'm just meeting the two girls tonight. And
Oh, okay.
just trying to figure out when the best light is for their whole dance co shoot.
I see. I just love the look of the Fuji
Oh,
cameras.
dude, I am sold. I shot Canon for 15 years.
Yeah.
And then this is the one. This camera came out last October.
Uh-huh.
And as soon as I got my hands on it, I was just like, all right, game over. So
Yeah.
like, that's all I've been shooting now.
Yeah, so you're happy with it.
Oh, super happy. Yeah,
Cool.
the quality of the X-Trans versus Bayer sensors,
Okay.
it's the pixel array.
Okay.
Is,
Yeah.
it's just way better.
Yeah.
I love it, man. I'm head over heels. So.
That's great. Yeah, my
Is
friends.
that an A7 or?
Yeah, no, this is a 6400.
Cool.
Yeah, I'll come out with. I do have an A7 as well. My wife's using it because we make YouTube videos.
Oh, right on.
So she's using it today. So sometimes we have to trade off.
Yeah,
But
for sure.
but I
Both
love.
are great cameras though for especially video.
Yeah, they're both fantastic. I really enjoy the full frameness of the A7. That's
Yeah.
you can't pass that up. That's really nice.
That A7S3 looks sweet, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We pre-ordered it already,
Oh, yeah?
so
Cool.
we're gonna be getting it.
What's your channel? What's your content?
I can give you I have a card.
Sure.
So this is just my website.
Right on. My brother worked for Delta. He worked for the airlines. I was working for Apple at the time, and just retail.
Okay.
And so as long as I checked in with Apple like every so often, I was fine. This is back when it was super chill to work there. Things have tightened down a lot, so I've heard since I left. But
I still want to work here,
like,
but
yeah.
got some adventures to do.
Yeah. I made a sort of a solo journey from Tokyo down to Auckland, New
oh,
Zealand.
dude, I'm so jealous.
And,
That's amazing.
And just taking like trash barges and like
Yeah.
cargo ships and everything that would take.
Dude, Tokyo is a
take me as
great
cheap as-
place for street photography.
For sure.
I can't wait to go there one day.
Yeah, absolutely. Sorry, excuse me.
No, you're good.
It's always cool to be able to just like bounce around the world, get to know people in different places, and just like,
That's the
Anyway.
thing about this period in time. I think more than ever, people realize they're able to kind of do whatever they want. We have so many friends that are self-employed and the sky's the limit. They're just kind of they figure it out, you know. In the past, I think that was a rarity. I think you had some people that were like, I'm gonna walk across the Sahara Desert, right? You got that guy who's like, I'm gonna have like a wagon, I'm just gonna walk across. But I feel like that was the exception.
Yeah.
But now we have a lot of people. I mean, the amount of people out there living in buses right now is
tiny homes,
astronomical.
and,
yes, tiny
and,
homes.
like, vans.
Yeah.
It's wild, man.
And supporting themselves through the internet. I think that's the key, right?
Yeah, dude.
People are just making it. They're taking photos with their iPhones. They're getting brands to send them stuff. They'll just take a photo that's, with the thing in front of a desert rock, and then off they go. Had a pretty successful photo walk today. Sometimes this can be hard to come by, but it's.
Dude, especially in Salt Lake, like it's a city, but it's not quite a city. You know what I mean? We're not.
It's harder than some places, easier than some places. Because I've tried, you know, I've done street photography in very small towns.
Sure.
And so the more people you have walking around, the more chances you have for serendipity.
Yeah.
And that's what street photography is all about, right?
Right.
You know, that's why New York City is so fantastic, is because there's an endless selection of people hopping around, you know?
For sure, man.
And so I've been in New York, I've taken some photos there before, and it's unbelievable.
I know, man. It's always like, it's just like you just point it any which way and then click and you're good to go.
Yeah,
So.
and nobody really, there's so many people that nobody really cares. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, nobody's like hounding you for it, you know what I mean?
Right.
Good to meet you, dude.
See ya.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
How are you?
I meet so many nice people on the street. I kind of want some ice cream. No, I'm gonna resist. And we're done.
Okay, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching this far. If you enjoyed this video, if you hit the like button, that would be greatly appreciated. And if you hit the subscribe button, that would be greatly appreciated. If you have any thoughts or questions about my process during this video, please feel free to comment below. I'd be happy to engage with you. Links to the gear things used in this video are below, and you can use those links if you want to support what I'm up to here. I hope you have a lovely day. Goodbye.